Robert was a first responder at the World Trade Center disaster. Robert was also a New York City police detective in the narcotics division. Over the course of his career, he made several hundred arrests, was involved in numerous situations involving guns and other danger, and yet was unscathed, never injured. After being at the World Trade Center for over 3 months, he went back to work. Not too long after that, he became sick. He was diagnosed with cancer several months later. Robert came to us as part of the World Trade Center litigation and was seeking help. He was unsure if this was something he should do because, like many other first responders, he suffered from survivor's guilt. Survivor's guilt is an issue that has plagued many of the first responders because they lost many of their friends on those particular days, either at the Trade Center or in the days after, and yet they walked away for the most part uninjured. Yet years later, they found themselves to be ill. Robert came to us not only seeking legal advice, but also just advice in general about whether or not he should go forward. Robert, since the World Trade Center disaster, had 3 additional children that he did not have in September of 2001 and was concerned about his family going down the line and the benefits that were available for them. We were able to help Robert. Robert spent a lot of time with us going over the injuries that he had and essentially reliving what he saw and what he was a part of during the World Trade Center disaster. We were able to successfully resolve Robert's case and are now representing him in the Zadroga Act itself. Robert is somebody who is a typical first responder. He's no different than anybody else that was there. He went and he did his job. He didn't ask any questions. And yet years later, he found himself in a situation that everybody said was related to the World Trade Center. If you have any questions or if you feel that you have a situation similar to Robert's, please contact me. I'd gladly speak to you over the phone or in person anytime about these issues. I'm Matthew McCauley. Thank you so much for watching.